Hi, welcome to the new video. Today I'm doing a pin-up on a Samsung Galaxy tablet. I put a sticker over the camera and I already prepared the white for the pin-up. And there's a sticker over the camera, so no color get there. Colors, as always, black and white is opaque and the rest of the colors are transparent. So I'm now preparing the background. So I'm painting the stuff black. That's inside the stencil, like between the arms. Now I'm doing the background. I have like some hearts. So it goes fast, and they have the pattern there, so it looks a little bit complicated, or looks more complicated than it really is. So I have like a nice background in 30 seconds. And I'm painting the edges now a little bit with black. And now I can start the pin-up. For the first step I'm using full black. And I'm using the black, the full black on the shoes and on the eyes and eyebrows. And then I'm going to use the purple for the rest. So I get like a darker purple. And it's because with the purple outlines, it doesn't look too much like a comic. So now this is the second stencil for the dark skin tones, and there I'm using the purple. And now this is like I'm using for the darker zones in the face and the shoes again the black. And if you're doing this for yourself, you have to find a way. It doesn't see much color, but it's enough for skin tones, although you can't barely see anything. If you want a darker skin tone, you can make this step number 2 and 3 darker. So this is now number 3, and I'm using the magenta for this, also very, very light. And the full magenta on the rose. Again, it doesn't seem like much, but you will see now when I'm using the light brown. Something I mix myself. It's like 90% yellow and 10% purple. That's something I use for my skin tones. And I'm using a magenta also, and that's for me, that's a nice skin tone. So now the color stencils comes now. In the video I'm using like a pink and a purple for the shoes. Afterwards I've seen that they are too dark, so for the picture, I repeated these tabs and painted it in full pink, so you can see like the gray area there a little bit better, and so the shoes look better, I think. So this is now also the color for the upper lip, the hair color, and the panty. And also the fingernails on the hand. So now these are the shoe soles, on the lip. And also the eye color is on this stencil. Now this is again the cover stencil, and there are the highlights in the lips, the hair, and the eye in there. So this is the YouTube version for this stencil set. I also have a completely nude version for this, so want to see this, you can write an email to me. I can send you the image. So this is now the white stencil, and for this I'm not doing a full white. It's just like 50% white. And then I'm doing some freehand work with the white for the highlights. And now we have like a nice skin tone. This is now the eye color. And I'm doing the background also in the blue tone. So you see where there is a darker background, like on the top, you get a darker blue tone and a lighter blue tone at the bottom where there's more white. And there you have it. So like you can see on the image on the right side, the shoes now are too dark, so that's something I changed. So here you have it. It's like a pin-up on the tablet. Hope you liked it, and you can subscribe my channel. There are over 700 videos there.